Hey everyone, White here, welcome back to yet another video. Today we're unboxing the Yokai Emblem 06, the Madame Moaizu emblem. It's been a while since I did something like the emblem things. I'm sorry. I had to wait a long time for these freaking medals. I need to get one more and it'll be over. I have everything except for the last one, for the last emblem. So yeah, you'll see that soon. But anyways, here's the Madame Moaizu emblem. So as you see, here's the packaging. It's blue, light blue, so yeah, let's open this up to get this the Kaseki medal. Take out the emblem. I'm just gonna put everything back in the packaging like it is. Alright. So yeah, anyways. Here's the emblem. It's a light red and the QR code. And there's a blue gem, and yeah. Taking a look at the Kaseki medal, there's Madame Moaizu, part of the mysterious tribe. As you can see, this one is just showing her face. It's like a totem. Here's here's her Hiho medal, which looks like a totem type of thing. I don't know much about the lore about this. It's been a while since I did research on this, so the next one I will do research. I will mention this in the video. So yeah, as you see, Madame Moaizu's. First things first, we're gonna use the Kaseki medal with the Dream Watch. Reach like treasure every time. Now with the Yokai Pod. It'll reach like that. So now let's go on to the emblem functionality. This one has a functionality where if you sight it in, the eyebrows goes up and you can see the eyes. You can see like two yellow things for the eyes. Can't catch it on camera really well, but it's right there. Can't catch this one actually. And also to remove it, you can do this like that. Oh, it flew off. So yeah. So yeah, anyways, just scan it with the emblem. Scan the emblem with the Kaseki medal. Yeah, as you see, you got the Motokara. So now to scan this on here with the Kaseki medal. And with that we get the Madam charge. Now putting it on with the Magnum. And I have some shots on here I need to get rid of. So first things first, we're gonna scan it and and we're gonna shoot. And then we're gonna switch over to charge mode. Hold it down and transfer it on here. And there we go. And there we go. That's basically it about the yokai emblem. Revive the Madame Moaizu one. So yeah. Sorry this took long just to get out. I've been trying to get the medals, haven't done it, and also trying to get all the emblems. But here's the last two was these, and I have the special medallion and emblem hold and the emblem chest. So yeah, I just need to get this medal. So yeah, don't worry. These are coming soon. So yeah, but and the final part of it. So yeah, there are 2 extra emblems. I don't know if I am gonna get it, but I will hopefully. I have one of the medals for it, and I just need to get the emblem and the other medal. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the Yokai Watch Emblem 06 emblem. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, please subscribe and comment down below which of these emblems are your favorite so far. Is it the first, second, third, fourth, whatever, which one is your favorite? And hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. And if y'all did, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see y'all in the next one, in the next Yokai Watch Emblem unboxing. Bye everybody.